Alright, in this video I will be sharing with you how to solve your Amazon KDP OTP problem. Okay, OTP stands for one-time password, and in case you're not yet aware, Amazon KDP, the KDP there means Kindle Direct Publishing, right? Now, when you want to do certain things on your Amazon account, or even when you're signing up sometimes on Amazon account, usually they will require you to put your phone number, and so they will send you a one-time password to verify that this phone number belongs to you, right? So let's say, for instance, this is my Amazon account. Okay, I want to go to my, let's say, your account up here. Okay, so I click on this. And so here they require me to put my password, which I'm going ahead to put now. Then I hit on sign in. Wow, password problem, sorry. I'll try again. Now, do you see they are asking that I send OTP, for them to send OTP to my phone number. They won't give you all the phone details, okay? They'll just give you the the last three digits. Can you see it here, okay? So I can choose that they will send me the OTP as an SMS, or they will call me to send me the OTP. So if I want them to call, I'll click here. But if I want the SMS, I'll just leave it at this and then click on send OTP. Now, my own is working now, but I've got people reach out to me to say that when they click this and say send, most of the times they don't get to have the OTP sent to them. And this is happening mostly to people who live in Africa, Nigeria, and other parts of Africa, okay? So what we're going to be doing now, we'll return to this place so you see what it will look like by the time we solve the problem, right? So at the end of the day, what we're going to be doing is to solve the problem such that you don't have them send you OTP to any phone number. Is that correct? So that's what we'll be doing. Now, follow this step. First of all, go to your phone, okay, and download from your mobile app. Download the Google Authenticator app. Google Authenticator app, okay? So this is the logo, what it looks like, okay? Google Authenticator app. So go to your app store and download that. That's the first thing to do. Remember, you can do this even before you start signing up for your KDP account, in case you've not signed up yet, right? Such that when they want to send OTP, it will not be to a phone number. You will use that Google Authenticator, and I'm going to be sharing with you how it works, right? Having downloaded the Google Authenticator app, now we head over to Amazon.com, not AmazonKDP.com now, okay, but Amazon.com, okay? So that's the website you can see here, okay? So that's where we will fix this problem. Remember, what we want to solve, or what we're solving here, is the problem that has to do with OTP, one-time password that Amazon KDP sends you from time to time, whether it's during sign-up or subsequently as you want to perform certain tasks on your account, okay? Now, when you come to Amazon.com, you click here. In my own case, I'm already signed in. Right, okay, so you click, you see here it says hello Onyi Nnebedum, okay, account and list, okay, so you just click on the drop down. Let me click it again. Can you see? Now when this happens, just click on accounts. Do you see accounts? Click on accounts. In your own case, if you don't see this, in other words, if you have not signed in yet, okay, try to sign in and you will see this option, okay. So I clicked on account to come here. The next place I'm going to go to is login and security. Click on it. Please follow the steps so that you don't make any mistake. All right, so now there's an email connected to my account, and automatically they have sent me an email. Okay, so here they say for your security, we have sent the code to your phone. They sent it to the phone and also to the email. So I'll check my email. That's the one I would prefer for them to send it to. Of course, now they say they sent it to my phone. I have not even seen it in the phone, but on the email now, I've seen a notification from Amazon.com. So I'm opening it to get the code they sent so we can proceed. So I've seen the code, so I'm typing it in. So that's the code, and I'll hit submit code. Be sure you enter the right code. So once you hit submit code, it lands you here. Okay, now a disclaimer. What I'm sharing with you works as at now in 2025, right? If there's any update, I will still do that. I will still do a video to update you, to share that with you, right? Okay, because sometimes people will get to see your video some months or years later and say it doesn't work. No, it works now, right? So if it doesn't work for you, let me know. I will check again whether you are the one getting it wrong or they have updated. And if they have updated, I'll do a video to follow up. Now, once you've come here, if you missed any step, just replay the video, right? So once you come here, you will see your name and other details. I will be covering this most of, okay? But where I want you to go to is where it says two-step verification, okay? There's already a phone number I have there, but you can see two-step verification. Turn on, click on it. Now it's important what is going to be happening here. Now and again, they have the option, they are giving me the option for me to request for OTP, but I'm not going to do that. So having come here, this is where you need to be very careful what you do next. So come up here, you will see two-step verification, okay? 2SV settings, click on it. Having clicked on it, you come to this interface. Then notice what I'll do next, okay? So now I'm not going to do anything but to come here. Do you see where it says add new phone or authentication app, or authenticator app rather? So I'll click on this. Just follow these steps and you'll be there. Remember, I told you earlier to download the Google Authenticator app, which I have downloaded already on my own phone, on my own end. So I'm going to pick up my phone, as you can see. So I picked up my phone and I am opening my Authenticator app because I want to scan this, okay? So I will scan it. The Google Authenticator app allows you to scan it. So I click on my Authenticator app. And now there is a where you see plus. Just if you're using an Android phone, just at the bottom right, okay? So I'll click on that plus. That's how to find the scan, okay? I can now see my scan a QR code, okay? Remember, QR means quick response, in case you're not aware. Okay, so I'll click on it. So I'm able to scan it automatically. I've scanned it, okay? So it should be at the bottom. Yeah, it's at the bottom now. So I'll enter the code. Once you scan it, you'll see the code that is there. Enter it before it finishes reading. So I'm entering the code now. So I've entered the code and I'm sending. Verify. That has been verified, okay? So I verified the code. Now, what am I going to be doing next? I'm going to go to this phone number here and I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to click on this and then remove number. So what is left here is the Google Authenticator app, right? So let's see if there's any other thing here. So that's the only thing left here, okay? So let's return to our Amazon account. This was where we were. Let me return to the main account. Sorry, I need to enter KDP. Yeah. So we return to our Amazon account and we again head over to this place. I've just refreshed it now to be sure that it has reflected what we just did has reflected. Okay, so I will now go here again. Remember I went there before. I'll click on your account. Now can you see, now it tells me choose where to receive OTP. Can you see? Now it says here enter OTP from authenticator app. That's what we want to do. So with this I've solved the problem. So I'll click this. The good thing with authenticator app is that the OTP is always showing. So I'll enter my OTP, the one that is currently there. So be sure you work with the time because it changes every few seconds. So I'll enter it. And that's correct. Okay, so that is how easy it is to solve the Amazon KDP OTP problem, right? So I've been able to gain access to the other side of my Amazon KDP account, right? So I'll be doing other videos on Amazon KDP. Okay, so if you are facing any challenge with Amazon KDP, drop it in the comment and I will attend to it. If this video was of help to you, let me also know in the comments. By the way, do subscribe and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated the moment I upload another video. By the way, Profit Leverage is a channel for authors and creators. So go ahead to check out other resources we have here for creators, that's content creators and authors, okay? Whether it's ISBN or anything about Amazon, okay? Check it out and let me know if there is anything more you want me to do. I'm Onyi Nnebedum. See you in the next video.